Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to change your voice on Discord app. So let's get started our video. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search here clownfish voice changer and then search it, and you have to open the first one app and then just click on it. Here you will find such type of the interface of this website. So you have to just download this by clicking here like this, and here you will find the different versions of clownfish voice changer. To just meet our system requirement, I have to download the 64-bit version of this clownfish to my PC. You can select the either one that meets your system requirement, and after downloading we have to just install it like this. Have to just open it and then click on the next option here. Simply like just to install any of the software and then select any of the one option here, first or the second. I just click to one and then click on the next, and then here you have to click on the next again, and it has been processing, and then click on the finish option, and after processing we have to just click here, and a new pop-up will be open. We have to just close and then click on the next and then finish the setup. So basically we are ready to go. So let's go and close off Chrome. We finished with our Chrome and we are back in Discord. So to open it, and because I did not actually put it to the desktop icon, I am going to have to this into my program to find it, but usually it's going to appear in your list here if your program, but because I didn't, I will show you that how can you find it to the launcher. You have to open your hidden icons, the taskbar, and find there the clownfish voice changer, and first you have to do setup and then click on the system integration. You are going to get this pop-up. Just make sure that you have got your mic list. So mine is microphone and it says remove. Once you have done that, you can do and open your Discord and go to the user setting, go to your voice and video, and then make sure you have got the same microphone selected as you did select in. Then you need to go back and open your clownfish once again. So right click on it and simply go to set to the voice changer, and then you get the clownfish program. You have got all these different options for your voice here. So if it want helium, simply so do a clap on helium, and so you have to click record, change your voice to helium.
And as you can hear, my voice has now gone to a helium effect. To clear up, just click.
So you can change your voice on Discord by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.